Okay, cuairde fáilte gotí an rang inniu a níl támuid chun fécant an teacs teachtareacht agus conas a dhéanaan tú an teacs teachtareacht, okay? So sin ceist dé gná bíonn sé ceist a hocht, okay, an scrúd fápéir. Agus támuid chun fécant, we're going to look at how we approach a ceist, that ceist inniu, okay? So seo an ceist a támuid a caint faoi an teacs teachtareacht, okay? Okay, so dús by earth teacs teachtareacht no rifos. So jagana, it looks like it'll probably be one or the other, okay? And we're looking at ceist a hocht and seo possibly for it to tucked anuas, okay? So caifi tú banu an seo, how do we go about it? First of all, you need to know a banu, okay? Agus tá sé sin an sin as béarla agus a críoch, okay? Agus really caiimiid é seo a elam, we need to learn these, okay? Níl lán a gceist, is ceist bheog, yas í seo. It's a nice short and simple ceist, okay? So there's banu and the críoch we need to learn off. We just pick one agus we úsáid sin an tamar fad. Like with the rifust, cosú leis an blog freisin agus an alt, we need to know our beginnings and ends. So a good rud, a rud maith le déanamh agus tú ag déanamh dul siar agus tú ag staidir would be to have your beginning and ends for all four, for your blog, your rifust, your teacs teachtareacht agus your alt, and make sure that you know them off by heart and are ready to go and know the difference between each one, okay? So that would be a really good tip agus tú ag staidir don cheist seo, okay? So cumála sin, we're going to úsáid fógraí or ní fógraí, frásí in between, okay? But we'll get to that. But just to really hammer home, you must know an tús agus an críoch, okay? So tá cead go teacs cainte úsáid an seo, okay? So that's a piece of beag spree. Rud ag an spríú an seo, okay? You can use text language, okay? Cosú le seo agus é seo, okay? But obviously cai sé bheith as bhuiagas. And níl cead go rá LOL, no ROFL, no OMG, okay? Tá OMD cearclúir, but no béarla le sin, okay? So le roi mé faoi sin again second, okay? Okay, so seo an rud a ecfi tú, okay? Seo conas a fit a échan sé an scrúd fápéir, okay? So it looks like this, you fragra an scrúd fápéir, okay? So nílach gá lína déig I gceist, okay? You only have gá lína déig an sin. So maiall sin tá sé gear, it's really short. Agus tá sé an tábhachtach gníanaan tú é seo, you really need to fill that space, okay? Mar it's ceist gearí, it's ceist yasí, okay? So really tábhachtach go líanaan tú é sin, okay? Okay, agus ná bí bortha with your banu, which is the first thing that you scríb is deach an sin, agus the críoch in our rear will tógsú is gá lína, okay? So in our rear nílach ní lína le scríb got there an lá. Okay, so níl sé sin roiachar, okay? So it's really tábhachtach that you fill that, okay? Okay, so dús tá an banu, and sin we have curp na teachtareachta. Now curp na teachtareachta, sin and the body of the text, okay? And now this is going to be bunithe an fógra. So cosúil in aca leis an piece seo, there'll be a fógra, an ad, okay? Advertising rud éigin. Your body of the text on piece seo is going to be bunithe an fógra. Okay, so this bit is bunithe an fógra. Okay, and the fógra are an tamar fad tá si difriúil, okay, they'll always be different. So even ag fécant ar na scrúd fápéir, tá si difriúil ó like sample A, go sample B, go sample C. Okay, so we need to be ready to achraig ruddy, okay? We will need to change things. We can't fully predict this. Ach Asian racha, there are frásí that we can úsáid that we can use again and again, okay? But on rud really tábhachtach an seo is if you've done a teacs and you studied really hard a teacs faoi scanan nua, and then a failure kill festival comes up, you cannot mention the scanan in your text, okay? You have to be a kind of failure and whatever is on that fógra, okay? So that's really tábhachtach, okay? Or else ní rihi tú ein mark, you won't get any marks if you aren't referring to the actual fógra atá os the chóir, okay? Okay, so on baniú sin. So there's cara rewa an seo, okay? You need to piok cean a bháin, okay? Piok cean a bháin an tábhachtach, okay? One of them. Okay, so rock my treat. So a liam a chara, okay? So always a liam a chara. A chara comes after the name, okay? Just Clostalwatch. It's nice to hear from you. Okay, no a ifa a chara. Okay, a ifa a chara. Just Clostalwatch you reached. Okay, nice to hear from you. No a ronan a chara afterwards. Okay, just Clostalwatch. So reached. No a Afric a chara. Okay, anam first and then a chara. Tá scéal gom ditch, okay, so scéal gom ditch, I have news, wait till you hear, I have news, okay, and if you want to add that on, if you're going for an A no a B, you can add on that piece of shin, that I have news, which is fan go glushatu. Okay, so on tábhachtach do an seo, guys, you úsáid a liam, a ifa, a ronan, no a Afric, okay? And I'm just going to make it níos éasca to you, to make it easier for you. Those are your only choices, lehanam naka, okay? Nobby cursejock a chát a chara nu mar sin. You might make a butún gramady. So you choose whichever one you prefer, liam, ifa, ronan, no Afric, okay? Okay, curp na teachtarachta anish. So seo on the body of the text. So Marder me by she show difriol. This will always be difriol, okay? Bunny ha air on screwed popper. Okay, agus an fógra atá agat. Ach, Asian racha, there are things that we can úsáid a ríist, okay? And cúpla frásí that we can put in gach teachtarach. So piok amach na cín sin. So first of all, Jay gná, usually ear, you are asked to cuira a hort, okay? You're asked a sin, okay? Tá sé asked berla and shin, so níl me can a raw ask berla. So dús, what they going to féile at raw to take up space and seo as an nílí na sin, okay? Dús aber le de chara conas a chúla tú faoin imacht, okay? Conas a chúla tú faoin imacht about the event, okay? So sin an céadward, that's a lína imiha. So you could say conic me fógra, no poster, okay? So nílas go mó tú ábalta é sin a eáil an sin. Der sé piok cean a bháin. So you didn't see a fógra / poster, you piok cean a bháin, okay? So conic me fógra no poster, ag stad an bus. Okay, I saw a fógra no a poster, ag stad an bus. Beidir cúla me fógra an radio sa chóir, so I heard fógra an radio sa chóir. No beidir conic me fógra an telefís, okay? So a ríist an seo rud an a tábhachtach, you're going to piok cean a bháin. Okay, and you fail them can one. You learn one thing. Okay? Okay. Imachti commonta. So second in a popper hamplacha. Okay, looking at the sample papers, these are the ones that have come up most, well, have come up, okay? So the orant that you're asked to invite a friend to is scanan or nua. Okay, so just staying keen to get dig and shiv care this brie lesh na focusha. New failure. Okay, I saw on berla and shin. Nu tahi ibra, chula tu fui ta fógra ag fógart advertising a jesh tahi ibra, okay? A jesh tahi ibra, shin an opportunity, okay? A jesh for tahi ibra. A tourist lay, so shin kasula tourist skolia, okay? You know near B2 savon school, agus kui to our law a one, just for law one, you went a tourist skolia. That's the same thing, okay? A clihanu. So the screwed popper, it was a cliha rugby. Ach, Asian rocha, it could easily be a cliha soccer, a cliha hoca, a cliha hishfella, a cliha pella, cliha imaniachta, cliha comogiachta. Okay, so just tishkareb rugby a gesh and screwed popper does not mean that rugby is a choctanius sa strassushracht, okay? Agus an cean dearnach bhí an not ri. Well, dear she'd ri, ach really an rud atá gesh not a ri social that agus sin a fun run, okay? Just Jane keen to get dig and ship and focus in the leg. Okay, so on shin tor quira. to the car, okay? You're going to give the invitation. So a reach, you pick rud a one on shot. Pick one and foul him on can, okay? So what let do go Beiger failure in a natlum. Okay, would you like to go to the failure? Okay, so I'm just going to curse off on show. So on show we put in the failure. Okay, in Énaglum. Would you like to go to the festival in Énaglum? Nu an meach simagat dog scanan. Lum. Would you be interested in going to a film? Lum. Agus what lum dol go cleha? I want to go to match. Or what la chocked? Do you want to chocked? Okay? But an rud is tavakti is na Gevek Shiv on show where a curse jock on Imox, the event, goes into those blanks. Okay? On Imox. Okay. Now, Curb na Tractor, we need to beef up this on Escawil Neelina Agwin, and we have to target done Fogra fresh, and we need to refer them to the Fogra. Okay, so Shot Kupla Rud is failing enough. Okay, so by Shay Shul Air on, it will happen, or it will be happening on the, and we're going to occur on Data is Jock on Shin. Okay, so the data might be in your Fogra, so you cur a shin is jock on shin. So if you know that, whatever data comes up in your Fogra, you can usage a shot the froz kana, the same phrase for gok Fogra. Okay? And by share sul no sa, and then you cur jock on ot. So by share shul halan escolia. Now by share shul sa stadium sa stad aviva. So Stadium Aviva, no Marshin, okay? So a reach, depending on, there will be an arch in your Fogra. It could be by share shul san omniplex, okay, if it's gone on. But depending on where it is, okay, or Kane Fogra, you can usad a shul for every, to say where everything is, okay? So you can usad a shin or reached is a reached. Now, I just want to explain what they can anna skippy jiv, agus sa. So we use when the venue has no on. So, mar hampla bark on crogig. We don't say on park on fork on crogig, it's just park on crogig. So no on means that we use Okay? So no on and it's Okay? Sa means there is an on. So mar hampla, we could say on scoláitiúil. So tá sé siúil sa scoláitiúil. Okay, so a reached sa means we do have on. It's as part of the venue. Okay. Now, Rakmajarai Gunshaw. So, Begshire Shul own a blank goody a blank. Now, rinne me jarmade shin a screed Jack agus shin on Tom. Okay, so Begshire Shul mar hampla. Now, this again, this is just a sampler. It'll be different Beiger. So, Fogra by Shire Shul own a neachlog. Goody a hainachlog. Okay, but a reached, that's base. You need to base that and fill that in with what air on Fogra into. But a reached, if you know this bit, you know how to say perfectly that it will be going on. It starts at this time and it finishes at this time, okay? Now, beg blank. Egg Shenham, first of all, we'll be playing. Now, this is Kyo, okay? So, beg the 1975 Egg Shenham. Okay, by Sheed Egg Shenham, they'll be playing it, especially if it's a failure Kyo. If it's a cliha, no sport, beg dina egin egg immert. Beg for na heron egg immert. Okay, they'll be playing, Ireland will be playing, but that is sport. Okay, so be Kermach leshin. Okay, beg someone egg dol freshen. Okay, someone is going to as well. So you could say beg makara Seamus egg dol freshen. Okay, no if we are a big blank lehiha oranta. Ta bia snafogri, okay? So bia, if there's bia, you can say big blank lehihad. There will be this to eat, okay? And one thing I want you to notice on shot, you see beg, 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 beg. Okay, so the quira, we use beg. Okay, we are a Buathlum blank echo. I want to see, okay, to see blank. Okay, now that could be Buathlum Johnny Sexton echo, new Buathlum the 1975 echo, new Buathlum Macar Seamus echo. Okay, new Buathlum blank a Yainov. I want to do this. Buathlum blank a Yainov. Buathlum Dausa a Yainov. New mar sin, or can níos fiaran sin. I think really a ecol is the one we'd use most there, or buathlum blanca iha, buathlum burger a jasa iha sa stadium aviva, new buathlum bruchara. Remember bruchara sin focal ana wa to usad níl sé ro yacker bruchara cílíonn sé sin hot dog, okay? Agus tá gweil go jas an sin bruchara. We never say madra te, cos cílíonn sé sin gúil tú ag iha woof woof, agus ní léon duine ag éiriéis sin íanamh. Ach sin, so sin rud ag an jas. That's a good one to know, nice and simple, but gweil go anava too. So you're always ag iha a bruchara. Okay, agus fuiera, usually, almost always, there's a price, so big costas blank air. So you're going to curse stock on chin, whatever's in your fogra. It could be €8, it could be €2, it could be €10, okay? So if you know these, you can give nearly all of the detail of your of the fogra on chin, okay? And you just fill in the blanks based on whatever comes up Aaron law. Okay, now on seo Marger mé tá ceadagah teach cainte úsáid so más maith libh nó not don rud ar fad, but tá ceadagad cúpla rud a chuisteach. So GRMA is gur magad, GRMMA gur míle maigad, DS is a deara seachtainna, CGL cear glór, LDH ledathol, BLT buíchas a dia, thanks God. Okay, FMT, Feki Mehu. That's a good one at the end, okay? Like FMT and Moirach. I'll see you tomorrow. Go if you find Feki, if you get confused between Feki and Feki, okay? But you can only use this in the text, okay? And remember, you only want to have Beijer Gano tree sampler a stock and show. The whole thing can't be, because you're getting marked on your Gaelga, so you need to have Gaelga stock and shin. SGF, Slongful. Dala an scale, DAS, cílíonn sin by the way. Okay? MAF má an far, if you're scríb go Afric, no IFA, níl ceadagad é sin úsáid. OMG, I don't really like that one, because OME is not gweil go mas, so mas féidir leat gan é sin íanamh, tá sin go ma. Agus TBO tá bronerm. Now I'm going to advise you could get marked down on these ones, okay? So ná húsáid é seo. Okay, don't use these. Okay, now if you want to use some of the text like LOL, GOA, AMB TAG, Shin LMFAO, okay, or tug is rolling on the floor laughing, okay, so it's malamation, agus NASA is gama, and that's really actually gama, NASA done queera, okay, because that's kind of, you know, if you're asking someone to go somewhere, well, NSAA, you know, you only live once, Tarlum. So tá sé sin really go maith. Okay, an críoch. Cá bhfuil sé imithe. 1 second agus cur yo Rocky mé isteach PowerPoint. Tá brónam to our second one them. Agus yo mé seo. Okay, and you're currently suas go fóla. Ach, cheap me go. Not distracted. Tá brónam. An seo. Tá an brónam faoi sin. Ach nach bhfuil no méid nó go a goibh goin Starger Univer, so gearhí mé amach é sin. Okay. Okay. Okay, inta. Okay, so an críoch sin a rís peag ceanna bháin, one of them, okay? Agus féile mé sin. So she'll text a rash cogum, text back like soon, XOXO, okay? So sin ceanna bháin, okay? Aberlum de smuinte. Here, Aberlum, céir the ceapan tú, what do you think? Agus yeah, céir the ceapan tú, what do you think? Okay? Lerómuid scoil amórach fui. She would chat about it tomorrow at school. And I'm féidirlum the law of a chasa is bralam an canseach. Could I twist your arm? Or what that shocked? Okay? And that'll probably take up Gáilín and Marjorie, okay? So, tásúla gom go raibh sé seo ceirach a rís you're going to peach ceanna bháin an seo. And I hope gur ceirach sé sin that this will help ag scríb an seachtaíocht the gach duine atá ag fécinse gurb míle maithagah agus slán.